Okay, this is the level 3 task. So you're going to start with MIDI instruments, choose go to guitars at the top, and then choose the acoustic guitar. So double tap on acoustic guitar. The first thing you want to do at the top is go to the settings, change your tempo to 65, and if you tap quite slowly on the blue button it can help you move quicker, and then go to 65 and then scroll down to the counting and choose a 1-bar counting, so you get a counting before you record. Also at the bottom right, click on the metronome and that should be green. That will keep you in time. Okay, then go back to your piano. On the top right, click on the cue, so that will quantize everything as you record. Have a little practice, and then once you're ready, hit record. So there's the counting. Okay, and once you're done, you press the down button by the cue, and then you can double tap on your region to check your notes, and then you can neaten them up here. So maybe make them 3 boxes long, so 3 semiquavers long, so that they're smooth and they're all the same length. And that is the level 3 task done. If you look at the end there, my bar goes over the 3-bar line, so I want to just shorten the end of my region by clicking on it to make sure it's exactly 2 bars long, so it ends on the 3. And then you can tap on the region and loop it as guitar parts 1 and 2 just continue throughout the whole song. So just click on it and press loop, and that's it.